Hello guys, PH here, and today I'm at the pond. I want to try something new. I got these Mule Fishing Supply Company. These are the Donkey Tails, and I got the silver color Karma, I believe it is, and then this color here, Pasture Fire. I have the jigs they sell for them, but I rigged them up. Oh, they're melting onto this boat. What the hell? Anyway, I rigged them up Texas style. I'm gonna try them weightless first, then I'll hook a bullet weight. I brought these little tiny ones here, and I'll try them like that. Let's go give them a whirl. I don't know what the hell is happening. I put them on this boat and they stuck to it like glue. You see the marks there. Alright, anyhow guys, let's go fishing. Alright guys, I got this crawfish looking one on first. Let's see how this does. Cast pretty good. Oh, something popped it. I missed it. I'm just gonna try them on the surface first. Oh, there we go. What the hell is that? Little bass. They work, guys. Holy smoly. Mule fishing. Check it out. Popping on the surface. Time to let this beauty go. Move to a new spot. Oh, a little popper. The mule jig. There he is. Let this beauty go. See if I can get down here. There it is. Oh, he got off. He's in the mud. Go back in. All right. All right, we're gonna go in the back on the muck. All right, we're in the back. This is mucky, so that's why I left this like this, because I want to try it through the scum. There it is. Mule. Woo! That one's better. Right there. Right in his mouth. Mule jig. Well, the jig ain't on it, but donkey tailed him. Let this beauty go. I don't know, this one's working so good, I don't even want to change colors. Oh yeah, right up against that rock there. There's gotta be something there. Texas rigged with a small worm hook. These work good over the slop. Oh yeah, that's a nice spot. Oh, did he get off? Yeah, I yanked him so hard he flew and he got off. Alright guys, these donkey tails are working good, just Texas rigged. I don't even want to switch anything. I don't even want to switch the color because this one's working so good. I left it rigged with nothing so it would go on top. It's late here. I came right before it got dark just to test these beauties out. So let's give them a whirl more. Alright guys, I got snagged up in a tree. So we're going to try the silver one really quick. And just hook this beauty on. I got one of these no knots things. Alright. That other color was working like a charm. Let's see what the silver does. Oh god, this is like a freaking swamp. Frogs. That ain't good. Boy, it looks juicy back here. Let's see what this beauty could do. Alright guys, I hooked the silver one up with a little tiny bullet weight. Let's see how that works. No luck at all on this silver color, guys. Oh, something took it. Must have been a sunfish. So far the silver color ain't so hot over here. I'm weightless again. Oh! The weightless way works great with these. Hope this sucker don't get off. Oh, mule jig. Holy. I didn't have any luck with that silver color or with a bullet weight, but weightless on a Texas rig seems to be the ticket right there. Whew, nice one. I got that fatty. Let's let him go. Oh, he did a belly whopper. I didn't have any luck with a bullet weight or with the silver color. This orange color here with the brown really works well here. So I'm going to throw it a few more times. It's getting late here now. Alrighty guys, that's it for me. I just wanted to come here before it got dark. I had like less than an hour to fish. The donkey tails worked awesome. I just wanted to give them a quick whirl. You may want to try these out. They have the jigs like I said, but I wanted to use them just Texas rigged without no weight or anything weedless, because I knew over here there was a little bit of scum and all the weeds and stuff like that. They worked really good. I got to use them again in the swamp and stuff. Probably in the winter time they'll be awesome. Anyhow guys, if you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up. I appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Hit that bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. Leave me a thumbs up. I think I said that already. And leave a comment and it'll be awesome. And I'll see you guys next time. PH out.